Okay, guys, it's good to see you again. I hope you've been doing well on math so far this week. Make sure if you get confused about anything that you ask me a question. You can ask me right on Google Classroom, or you can have your parents ask on Class Dojo. But please don't stay confused. If you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Now, we have been comparing lengths of objects. And today we're going to figure out a way to describe how long something is. So we can tell now if something's longer or longest or shorter or shortest. But I want to know exactly how long something is. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be measuring. Measuring is when you decide how long something is, or how heavy something is, or how tall something is. We're going to measure the length. But we're not going to be using a ruler. We're going to be using pennies, and I'm going to show you how to do this using color tiles. So, come on over and let's look at some math. Alright, so I've got this pencil right here, and I want to know how long my pencil is. I want you to watch me as I measure it with tiles. So here's my color tiles, and I'm just going to line them up like this. Oh, so look. My pencil is 5 tiles long. Wait a second. There's something wrong here. What did I do wrong? I can't measure like this. I can't measure like this because there's all this space. So when we measure, we got to remember, just like before, we're going to line up one end of our measurement. We're not going to have any spaces between the color tiles. And now look, it's not 5 long, it's 7 color tiles long. But what if I had measured it like this? What if I had done, let's say I have my 7 color tiles. We already know that's how long it is. What if I had lined up my pencil like this, and now it's only 6 color tiles? What's wrong now? Right, they're not lined up. They got to be lined up just right so that we can tell how long it is. Well, what if I had done this? Well, now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 color tiles. Do you see something I've done wrong? Yeah, I overlapped my tiles. You can't do that either. You can't overlap and you can't leave spaces. You have to start right on the end with no spaces and no overlaps. That's how we measure. Now, I know that at home you don't have these handy color tiles. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to measure with something you can find at home, and that's pennies. So when you work in your math books on this lesson, don't worry about using the color tiles like it asks you to do. Anytime it asks for color tiles, I want you to use pennies instead. So, get something different to measure here. Let's measure a different pencil. So, when I measure, remember, I have to start by lining up the ends so that they're even. And then I can start to measure. So this one must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pennies long, right? No. No, because what did I do wrong? I didn't cover all my gaps. You can't leave any gaps. So there we go. Now my pencil is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pennies long. So this is all you're going to be doing today. In your math book, you're going to see some questions that look like this. So what they want you to do is measure with color tiles. But like I said, we don't have those at home, so we're not going to be able to measure with color tiles. Instead, we're going to use pennies. But watch this. I'm going to measure this little caterpillar right here. I'm going to put my first penny on. But look, my second penny doesn't quite fit. It's a little bit too big. See, there's the line, and then my penny goes over the line. So because these aren't going to be exact, I want you to do what's called estimating, and you're going to make your best guess about how long this is. So when I look at this caterpillar, I see 1 penny is not long enough. So I'm going to say this caterpillar is 2 pennies long. Even though he's a little bit shorter, I'm guessing, I'm estimating about how long he is. Okay, so as you are working through your math pages, you can use pennies to measure, and if it's not an exact measurement, make your best guess at how long it is. If you have any questions, please remember to contact me and ask me, and I'll do my best to help you out. It's good to see you guys. Hope you're having a good week. Talk to you later.